here. And tonight we have another Santan Fireworks exclusive demo for you. And with me is Sergeant Pyro. Say hello, Sergeant Pyro. He is raring to go tonight, people. We've been very busy this week on the ranch. And as you know, Sergeant Pyro is in charge of security and all other secret missions. And what do we got tonight here, Sergeant Pyro?
We got the Reggiane-RE 2005 Sagittario.
All right, say that 10 times fast, and we'll give you a free knuckle sandwich. All right, so let's take a look at this here. Pretty cool. All right. Oh, one's getting shot down. There we go. Kind of flip it around there. Awesome artwork. Let's go to the performance there, Sergeant Pyro. Let's see what we got. Here we go again. So I'm going to have you see this one here. You can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a little bit of everything. Colors, pearls, crackling, chrysanthemum, and we're going to finish off with pearls with crackling. So, you know where we're headed? Off to the street pad. Yeah. All right, Sergeant Pyro, go to town. All right, we put a brick in there just to make sure it doesn't flip over, too. There we go. Whoa! What are we seeing, Sergeant Pyro? Oh, that kicked right in, didn't it, Sergeant Pyro?
Damn!
There was
no delay.
No delay!